Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Olympiad Preparation Day 3 of Talent Tomato एंड आज का टॉपिक होने वाला है प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन बैंक ऑफ जनरल नॉलेज ओलंपियाड SKGKO क्लास 6। तो आज हम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं क्लास 6 का 2020 का सेट AA, जिसके क्वेश्चंस कुछ इस तरह से हैं। फॉलो फॉर मोर। SKGKO 2020 स्मार्ट किड जनरल नॉलेज ओलंपियाड सेट AA। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज who is known as पंजाब केसरी? द आंसर इज लाला लजपत राय। सेकेंड, गो बैक टू द वेदास। Who among the following gave this motto? Answer is Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Question number 3. The famous book in the Indian War of Independence was written by Veer Savarkar. Number 4. August 9, 1925 is known in the Indian history for which of the following incidences? The answer is Kakori train robbery. It's a B. Fifth question. The age of the retirement of the judge of the High Court is? It is C. 62 years. Question number 6. Who is known as guardian of the public purse of India? The answer is comptroller and auditor general. क्वेश्चंस जो है इसके जीके के मोस्टली सिल्वर जोन के अपने खुद के कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव गाइड और पास्ट ईयर पेपर्स से ही आते हैं, तो यू हैव टू लर्न दिस क्वेश्चन वेरी प्रॉपरली। सेवेंथ क्वेश्चन, द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया हु वाज सिलेक्टेड अनअपोज वाज? इन 4 ऑप्शंस में से कौन से ऐसे प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया थे जो अनअपोज सिलेक्ट हुए? उसका आंसर है सी, नीलम संजीवा रेड्डी। 8. Lunar eclipse occur on? Answer is B, full moon. With 9th question, which of the following pass link the Srinagar to Leh? Answer is D. It's a Zojila Pass. 10th, which of the following river is not part of the Panjanath? The answer is B, the Indus. Rest all are part of Panjanath river. Indus is not part of Panjanath. Question number 11. Question number 11. Which of the following water bodies separate the Andaman from the Nicobar? Answer is C, 10-degree channel. 12. In the abbreviation PNR used while issuing rail or air ticket, what does R stand for? And the answer is B, record. 13. As per Ramayana, who among the following got his name because of his ability to move his chariot in all direction? Answer is Dashratha. It's a Dashrath. Question number 14. India Idea Summit is 2-day virtual summit organized by the US India Business Council. What is the corpus of foreign investment attracted by India during COVID lockdown as stated by the Prime Minister of India Idea Summit? Answer is C. It's a $20 billion USD. 15th, which famous actress won the best actor in the motion picture drama award in the Golden Globe Award 2020? तो मैं आपको 220 का पेपर दिखा रही हूँ। ये सेम क्वेश्चंस आपको 2026-25 के लिए लर्न करने हैं। आंसर इज सी, दिस इज फॉर बेस्ट एक्टर इन मोशन पिक्चर ड्रामा अवार्ड्स 2020 गोल्डन ग्लोब अवार्ड्स। आंसर इज रेनी जेलवेगर। यू हैव टू लर्न अबाउट सेम अवार्ड इन 2026। 16. हाउ मेनी ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज डज यूनाइटेड नेशंस हैव? इट्स अ बी, 6। कौन सी लैंग्वेजेस है आप मुझे कमेंट करके बताइए। विच सिटी इज फेमस फॉर बाली जत्रा फेस्टिवल? आंसर इज कटक। 18. ऑन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डेट्स इज द नेवी डे सेलिब्रेटेड इन इंडिया? 18 इज सी, December 4। सारे डेज आपको याद रखने हैं, इसको कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है। 19. इंडिया इज सेट टू रिन्यू द अग्रीमेंट ऑन साइंटिफिक कोऑपरेशन फॉर द नेक्स्ट 5 years विथ विच ग्लोबल एसोसिएशन? 19 इज सी, यूरोपियन यूनियन। 20. In a recent study by Autonomous Institute of DST, the organ of which water species has been used to develop a catalyst in energy conversion device? And the answer is B, it's a fish. 21. The late External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj was born in which city where she was elected as a eminent vice? And the answer is A, Ambala Kent, Haryana. Balbir Singh Kullar, who passed away recently, was famous personality of which sports? Answer is A, hockey. 23. Indian American Brahma Kanchi Botla, who recently passed away after affected by COVID-19 in the United States, was associated with which profession? And the answer is B, journalism. 24. The National Intelligence Grid, that is NAT Grid, is an attached office under which union ministry? Answer is B, Ministry of Home Affairs. 25. Which special day is an annual event celebrated around the world on April 22 to demonstrate support to environmental protection? And the answer is C, Earth Day. So next 25 question के लिए don't forget to subscribe us for part 2. Thank you.